talk to me about this Willow Google quantum computer thing. How big of a deal is it?
Yeah. So first of all, I don't know. I just read the announcement. I haven't been face to face with the technology, so I don't know anything that's not public on that. Quantum computing historically has been one of those things that is theoretically very exciting and then just extremely hard to actually get working. Quantum computers don't act like regular computers in any way. And there's always this kind of thing where you, in theory, can kind of demonstrate something in a lab and that maybe it works and maybe it doesn't. It's often not completely clear even whether it worked. And then, could you ever get that to repeat? Could you get that to repeat across, 10 or 100 different, kind of locations? Could you ever then apply that to these different problems? Like there's just all these like really, really fundamental questions. And so it's one of these really enticing things that everybody's hoping that we get to. I'm not close enough to know whether they got to the full breakthrough or not. The thing that I think would be the full breakthrough would be not only does it work in one lab, this is something where you could now stamp out 10 and then 100 and then 1,000 of these machines, and then you could do it repeatedly. The most enticing thing of what they said, which is one of these things where you think about it and then you decide you have to stop thinking about it because you'll never think about anything else again, is that in theory, the lab demonstration that they have is doing a computation that the entire universe that we live in, if it was converted entirely to just a giant computer, if every atom in our universe was turned into a giant computer, that computer could not solve that problem before the universe ultimately dies of heat death. Right. And the implication of that is that the computation therefore must be spread out across many other parallel universes, which is therefore proof that there are many other parallel universes. And so
interesting.
Right. In other words, if you weren't able to spread this computation out across many parallel universes, it could not have been done. Therefore, there must be many parallel universes. Therefore, we do actually live in a multiverse. And there are actually billions or uncountable numbers of parallel realities, including
that we're using for our RAM.
Yes, and we basically have we're outsourcing to these other universes. I mean, by the way, are we having any impact on them when we do that? I don't know.
There's some very glitchy 360p universe out there. And, God damn it, that guy from Google. That guy from Google's trying to work out if 2 + 2 = 4 again.
Yes, exactly. And then, of course, are any of these other universes going to do it to us? The quantum people really do believe it's we live in many different realities. So, this may be one of those things from science fiction that we end up figuring out. But it's the kind of thing. Is it Einstein's famous reaction to quantum physics was, this is impossible because the famous quote was, God doesn't play dice with the universe. Right. And this result is yet another evidence that no, actually God really likes playing dice with the universe.
Seems like he is doing it